In April 2023, a 600-person marketing agency in Chicago closed its doors. The lights went out floor by floor. The team got their final paychecks. Their biggest client didn't fire them. They got replaced. Replaced by one guy. In a one-bedroom apartment in Lisbon, using software that costs less than a gym membership. This isn't a one-off story. A quiet pattern is showing up everywhere. And the people building these new companies aren't billionaires. They're 24-year-olds, freelancers, ex-employees who got laid off and never went back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they're doing it. Take a guy named Marc. Marc worked at a 200-person SEO agency in New York. They charged clients between $10,000 and $50,000 a month. They had account managers, writers, editors, an entire reporting department. In 2023, Marc got laid off. He spent 2 weeks panicking. Then he opened his laptop at his kitchen table and rebuilt the entire agency. Alone. AI for the content briefs. AI for keyword research. AI for every first draft. A few scripts for the boring work. The workflow that used to need 15 people. He ran it himself. He now has 28 clients at $3,000 a month. That's $84,000 a month. $1 million a year. No employees. No office. No payroll. The same work that used to fund a 100-person company now funds one person and their dog. And Marc isn't a special case. He's the median for this new wave. And this isn't just marketing. In legal, solo attorneys are running boutique firms with the output of a 30-lawyer office. In customer support, one founder runs an 8-figure SaaS company by herself. In video editing, entire production houses are losing to one person with a Mac. So why is this happening now? 3 reasons. And the third is the one most people miss. Reason 1. The cost of intelligence collapsed. Generating decent writing cost $1,000 a month in 2020. Today it costs 1/10 of a cent. That's 1,000 times cheaper economy. Reason 2. Distribution went solo. One founder on LinkedIn now generates more leads in a week than a 5-person sales team from 2015 did in a quarter. Reason 3. The bottleneck moved. It used to be labor. How many people you can hire and manage. Now it's taste. The founder who knows what good output looks like, who can spot the bad draft, who knows which client to fire, is worth more than an entire team. Skill got cheaper. Judgment got more expensive. And here's the part that should make you uncomfortable. Most of these solo founders weren't entrepreneurs. They were employees who got laid off and used the same AI tools their old company is now trying to adopt. Except they moved 12 months faster. Next to fall, real estate, online tutoring, and insurance brokerage. All being eaten by solo operators with AI workflows. For the first time in modern history, one motivated person with the right software can compete with a company 1,000 times their size and win on price, speed, and quality at the same time. The wave is already here. Are you swimming or watching? Subscribe for the exact tool stack. That's the next video. Until then.